Yeah, today I am going to teach about fraction. What is fraction? Fraction is a part of the whole thing. Suppose I have got a cake. I want to divide it into two equal parts and to give it to two persons, one part each. So, first of all, I am dividing it into two equal parts. So, how many equal parts are there? Two. So, this is one part. This is another part. Total two parts. Okay. Now, I am going to give one part to Mr. Mohan. One part to Mr. Mohan. So, how many parts are there? Two. Out of two, I am going to give one to Mr. Mohan. This is what you call fraction. See, I am not going to give the whole thing. Two parts I am not giving. I am going to give one part. So, fraction is a part of the whole thing. Okay. Now, here the number in the upper part. So, that upper number is called here numerator. The number in the lower part we call it as denominator. Right? Now, another example. Now, the same cake I am having. I am dividing it into four equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, one part, one part, one part, one part. I am going to give him one part to Mohan. One part to Mohan. So, out of how many parts I am going to give? Out of 4, I am going to give 1 to Mr. Mohan. So, it is 1 upon 4. Now, I am going to give 3 parts to Mr. Rohan. 3 parts to Rohan. So, how many parts I am giving? 3 upon 4. It is numerator, it is denominator. Numerator, denominator. So, this is what you call fraction. Now, type of fraction we will see. Type of fraction. Fraction. Now, look at this. 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5. Here you see the denominator is same in all the fraction. So, they are called like fractions. Here denominators are same. Therefore, they are called like fractions. Okay. Now, This is like fraction. Now what is unit fraction? 1/2, 1/3, 1/5, 1/9, 1/11. Look at this. Here 1 is there in all the fraction. That means in the numerator. So here the numbers in the numerator is 1. 1, or we say unit. Therefore, this fraction is called unit fraction. Unit fraction. Now, unlike fraction, what do you call it as? Unlike fraction. It is not like. So, unlike fraction. Means what? If the denominator is different, then we call it as unlike fraction. See, for example, 1/3, 1/5, 1/10, 1/7, etc. So, if the denominator is not same, if the denominator is not same, then they are called unlike fraction. See, if denominator is same, they are called like fraction. If the denominator is different, they are called unlike fraction. Now we are coming to the chapter fraction. Fraction means proper fraction. What do you mean by fraction? Proper fraction. Two upon 3, 4/5, 6/7. Look at these fractions. The numerator is smaller than denominator. Numerator is smaller than denominator. Here also numerator is smaller than denominator. Numerator is smaller than denominator. Such fractions are called proper fraction. If the number in the fraction, if the number in the numerator of the fraction is smaller than the number in the denominator, then they are called proper fraction. Followed or not? What does it mean? The number in the numerator always should be less than the number in the denominator. Then we call it as proper fraction. So, if there is a proper fraction, then you should have improper fraction also. Means what? Vice versa. See, suppose here, for example, 5/4, 3/2, 7/6, 10/3. Here look at this. Here the numbers in the numerator is greater than the number in the denominator. So we call it as improper fraction. Here if the number in the numerator is greater than the number in the denominator, then such fraction is called improper fraction. That's all. So we learn type of fraction, and mainly we always deal with in our life proper and improper fraction. Now another one, mixed fraction. What is called mixed fraction? For example, see 2 1 by 2. Here you see here, this is a whole number, this is a fraction. Another one, 3 1 by 4. See, this is a whole number. It is a fraction. They are multiplied. Here whole number, it is a fraction multiplied. So, if whole number is multiplied with fraction, then they are called mixed fraction. That's all. Okay.